Hello everyone, this is Easy Learn channel. In this video series, we are learning how to write the Tamil script. So as we have seen in the earlier video, there are 12 vowels in Tamil script. We call it as Uyirezhuthukal. I'll just read the letters and the next slides I'll be teaching how to write these letters. The first letter is A. Next, A, E, E, U, U, A, A, I, O, O, Au. So these are all the 12 vowels, that is Uyirezhuthukal. So to write these letters, you simply need a single ruled notebook or paper. If you are okay, you can use a plain paper, that is unruled paper also. So take a pen, paper or notebook and you can start practicing the letters along with me. So the first letter is A. So you start from here, take a curve, then a horizontal straight line and then a vertical straight line. So this is how you write the letter A. The next letter we are going to write is A. The next letter is E. And the next letter is E. The next letter is U. The next letter is U. Next letter is A. The next letter A. Next letter I. The next letter O. The next letter O. The last letter Au. So these are all the letters you can practice in your notebook. In the next video, we will see how to write the consonants. Thank you for watching.